Hello antique lovers, this is ancient, very rare rivet and row of copper metal, probably of 12th century AD. Metal is copper. Length is almost 2.5 centimeter. Breadth is almost 1 centimeter. Weight is 1.72 grams. Making process: forged, handmade. All copper riveted connections are made using two parts nails called rivet. This nail called rivet and washers called burrs or rows. This is a washer and it called burrs or rows. Period may be 12th century. Rivets were commonly used in boats, doors, locks, and armor long before the screw was around, and by the 12th century the French term rivet was given to metal workers and armorers in Europe, and also applied as the last name to blacksmiths who specialized in rivet production and metalwork assembly. Rivet and row were using to bind two pieces of wood, metal panels, or leather altogether. Here I am giving an reference about iron metal rivet and row, which is extremely rare and made by Vikings in 8th century to 12th century AD, and is same as this copper rivet and row, which is in my collection. Important reference is given on a website of nomadboatbuilding.com that copper riveting was probably been used in boat building over since the copper nail was first conceived, and the Vikings used it and Japanese boat builders use it. One more website, Worth Point, is saying about an iron metal Rivet and Rove, which is an extremely rare and same designed like my copper piece. Another reference I am giving here, that Vikings one website named Vikings Kib Smusset.dk is saying that although the Vikings used iron rivets and rows when they building their ships, but in the construction of the Sculdelev 3 ship, means they had built Sculdelev third ship. The boat builders used copper rivets and rows. That's why probably this copper rivet and row may be of Viking period, means of 12th century AD. This is definitely an ancient period rivet and row. Thank you for watching.